abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
Salibonani, welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events, your trusted partner in events planning and management. Guys, as usual, kumnandi kuba lapha. It's nice to be here. Bayatsho abanye ibizo lami nguNontutu Zoncube and ngihamba lo General Leslie. And you know what? It's quite hot in the studio today because of indaba esibuye ngayo namhla. But before we do that, let me tell you about what Deb3 does. Guys, if you have any type of event, be it a social event, a business event, a family event, church event, whatever, you can get in touch with Deb3 Events ukuthi ikunike i-sound system ezwakalayo. Elesisindo, you get a stage higher, you get LED screens, videography, photography, you get even special effects, smoke machines if you need them. Ilakho ukuthi kuncedise iDeb3 City, everything under one roof. We also have those who want rehearsal space, abasaculayo. Ikhona i-rehearsal space khona lapha eDeb3 Studios. Sikhona njalo i-studio laba abafuna ukusiphekela ezichazayo ingoma ezimnandi. We mentioned ukuthi kulabanye abalama 2026 resolutions umnyaka usesemutsha. You still have plenty of time to come and rehearse, usifakele i-album kumbe i-single yakho oplan ukuthi usifakele yona. Leslie Ushap.
Yeah, especially good rehearsal space. Yeah, it's rehearsing.
Kukhona abayazi bekithi takhe
stage. As rehearsing, let's bring well cooked products. We're staging over here. But welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive. It's quite interesting. Ngabe le akwanisa uthola ama band since ngabe sesaxotsha emsebenzini. I swear. But we are safe for now till someone decides to, sneak in and sneak out. But like I always say, our episodes are powered by Okuhle Designs for all your graphic designing, graphic works, whether udinga cap printing, t-shirt printing, ngumbufuna ukwenza magazine. Yeah. Ngiyangishaya ngento enje. So ukwenza magazine ye church etlithi ku front page kulo mfundisi, then second page kulo mfundisi, then wena page 15 sakuthunela bra. Visit Okuhle Designs. I'm a posters slaw, I'm a banner slaw, whatever that you name it, we design it and you pay for it. Lower prices that you can trust. Laying a power sales and tagline. Pero I don't mafoti la wayekhala zithi yena waqalisa ngokuthi ma40 the name.
It's so nice. You have to say it twice.
What is it, Mr. Singom Mchonje? Ngoba Mr. Singom bread so nice, you eat it twice.
Oh, okay. But I think Erema 40 it sounds nicer. The name is so nice.
No, I can't say that, twice. Mina. I'm a gentleman. I can't say my 40 name so nice. Mina njengendoda akuyezi. Ngono ngwenze singweni.
Okay, so this is an exciting week.
Yeah, exciting week.
Iviki yama-nudes.
Bakithi sicela ukuthi nxa uyindoda ehlakaniphile uhlalule data. Idata into eqhakathekileyo khathesi empilweni. Idata. Imagine ungela data.
What you miss out. What you miss out.
But
so this week we've been seeing trending stuff. For some of us it's not nice to see, but for others it's nice to see.
It's nice. It's nice for everyone. Let us not remove the nice from guys, the advocates. Why are you removing the nice? It's very nice for everyone. Yeah.
I think it depends on ukuthi ungubani, but for some of us it's not really nice. We've been seeing trending videos and the trending content creator, Zimbabwean content creator, Vati, she's based in SA, but she's based in South Africa, but she's a Zimbabwean who has been posting clips in Zwisa. Me,
Viewers,
viewers, ngesindebele viewers win. In Zwisa.
Ibona kanye.
Singapho ukuthi in Zwisa.
In
In
Zwisa.
Zwisa. Uyabe post in Zwisa iphonga ukuthi kancane. You know, some explicit content showing her private parts. Queen
Nadia.
Queen Nadia.
Queen
Yeah.
Nadia
She's
TVA.
ibizo like on social media. She's Queen Nadia.
Laba sithi bambe
And
bayambona.
to show ukuthi content lay ilama consumers, she's gaining millions of viewers.
Ikhona efike billion.
Billions, yes. Billions
Izolo I
of
think
viewers.
ibiko 1.2 something like that.
Yeah.
Billion and into engishokileyo ngike ngacheki population eAfrica as a whole. Ngathi sonke sasimbonile. Ngathi lapho lo muntu osasele la kagayi umfundisi wami mbonile Fundisa uvulile.
And you know what's funny? Into funny ukuthi mina kade ngingambonanga. So it means kulabanye ababona ka7 ka8. Eke buyele ke.
Siqalelwe ngabantu beAsia into yethu yeAfrica.
Viewers wena kuthiwa viewers. Wena suyibona ka17. Wena kuthiwa viewers.
Andi phela viewers and again. And again till we are satisfied. No, abantu lokana I'm sure bakubukela kaningi. Yabona ukuthi I think that's the beauty of viewers. Ukuthi uyakubona so nxa ujayele ukubala ama comments ku Facebook ani so kulama department abantu and kule department engiyithanda kakhulu ezama screenshots lezi uthi ngaba lento
Kuthiwa screenshots association.
Screenshot association and SA so zihlala vele screenshot and so lezana zakwanisa ukubukela ka19 because udinga the best short and futhi if you want uyabuzithola kubenxe izangezelela ivideo leyi ingani yanaba you know lokho ukangela so usithi nqamba ngokuthi la udinga English so udinga English but well good right I saw a lot of ama content creators I think kule mixed points ama content creators and abanye ngabachingayo nawe uyahlanya usislow wenzana then abanye ngabathi but usislow hlakaniphile because at the end of the day sonke silokwenza into ezingayisizo but maybe zingakafiki kwezakhe for views.
you know I think mina I was like khona ukuthi sithe sengisizwa ngaya I was just looking I think I saw maybe 4 or 5 videos awakan and looking at the place and the background lapha shootela khona ama videos it tells me something about her economic status and from what I'm seeing angimsoli.
Yeah finally savumelana
Umuntu lo she needs to eat.
Umuntu lo
So indlela yakhe la
yokuphanda
exactly. And people talk about morals and all that. But I always say kulalabana futhi abathanda ukuya isosisi labana abamalaphana kukhonati duzele emsebenzini wami lapha.
Labana bakajala bakhona la ku12 la.
Uyakwazi ukuthi
11
I always say ukuthi okay when ungumakanika you're using your body part to make money. You're using your hands, right? It's your body part, isn't it? Obala inyuzi, obala ngani?
Ngomlomo,
body part, right? Luana umuntu luana usebenzisana.
Body part.
Exactly.
But i-problem manje ngama body parts lawa and ukuthi indlela agxumekwe ngayo emzimbeni wethu and because i-body part esetshenziswa ngumakanika lawe uyisebenzisa every day even ungasomakanika in public.
Even esetshenziswa ngusilwana nyakwanza uyisebenzisa every day.
In public Hayi nxa usithi in public phela sitshedeza ama-mic.
Ngingakukhetha ngingezwa sokusithi ngisebenzise in public njengo-Queen Nadia. Yikho khonokho i-choice.
Hayi so choice. Yikubona izandla wena. Awugqoki ma-gloves every day. Ukuvala izandla. Ngapha ngenxa yomkhuhlane uthi
Also difference ukuthi kule public part le private part. Kodwa konke ngama-parts.
Yikubona kuthiwa sebenzisa ikhanda vele nhlave egceve lisebenzise ikhanda because ungehlule ukusebenzisa ikhanda elisegcekeni uzagcina usebenzisa okunye kumele kuvaleke.
But yazi ukuthi into engichayayo futhi into engichayayo ukuthi ngingakaboni. I also saw ukuthi the mother is having a hard time.
Yes.
Obviously umama ungapha phela. Yena ungala umama kodwa ungapha. Uphila phakathi kwe-community, engxenye umama ohamba kolwesini, umama webhachi, uyahamba ama-burial emhlanganweni ezimfene and all that. So she meets all the people aphila labo khona la. But ngingakakuboni khona lokho, I was thinking ukuthi okay, does this person have a close relative? Bengxenye ngumuntu ongasela abazali, ongela abantwana ukuthi ama-extended family member alandaba I can do. But some of these things, posting them when you have children, when you have parents. Yesh.
Ukonakala sokonakele. There's this link engingayisendela phakathi kwevisi engikhohliwe. And it's unfortunate, I think ngoyemaswingo nkazana lawo look for that link and umntana esikole sibili ukuthi sometimes uyabe shoot ama-TikTok akhe esegqoka esesesikole. But ungangena so epagini lakhe so lipage lamadoda lawana afuna ukuzithokozisa. But ngumntana esikole sibili and izinto yabezibhala so namhla ngikhanuka lokho. Uzuzibuza ukuthi kanti abazali bangaphi esikole khona kuthwani.
You know what? Now that you're talking, I don't think it's a student. She knows ukuthi kulama
but kuncane phela ivinqa ukukhangele so.
I doubt though, because the school vele would have taken action fast.
Yeah.
Isikole vele I think ngumuntu nje lomzimba omncane uyakwazi ukuthi phandle vele kulama perverts ngizokuthiwa umntana esikole vele anti ukuthiwa abantwana besikole there's this thing ukuthi hey basa fresh basakhule
stuff phela anti bagcwala amachoko.
You get it. So umuntu lo uyakwazi ukuthi vele if I'm a school kid, obviously target audience yami vele will be captured.
Then
because I don't think the school would just let that go.
Imagine then omunye umntana nami mina osesikolo ebona lo oqamba manga ukwenza ngani la osesikolo esenza njalo abe sekopa lalwana.
Yeah, I think that's also where the issue social media monitoring your children's gadgets comes from, because vele indaba yokuthi i-gadget is a private device emntwaneni, it doesn't work. You have to monitor it and know who your child is interacting with, what content your child is consuming.
And mina futhi
ngoba anje yabona ukuthi khathesi i-content ka-Queen Nadia le, it's on Facebook and everyone has access to it, even abantwana abaku-Facebook, because there are some kids who have got Facebook accounts. Yabo abantwana even abancane abasikole and stuff like that, they've got access to that and they are seeing her with all that stuff and she seems to be flourishing. So umntwana would think ukuthi phela le ngaba i-career le. Yabo. So I think lokhana akusenguye mlandu ka-Queen Nadia ukuthi make sure umntana wakho consume the right content. It's now your responsibility wena mzali to see what your child is consuming.
And I think the corporate world is playing part in all this. Because Kares, for example, I'm an MC, but social media, it's mainly interacting with my clients. I'm not a content creator. I'm an interface performer. You come to my stage, I perform for me. We are busy wedding, we are busy conference. I'm an interface performer. I'm not. But now, like I said, maybe libizwe for a job. Kuthiwe kufunakala MC. Then uhambise lawe red card, lo munye ahambise red card. Then red card lo munye lwana who knows nothing about art, but has got million views on Facebook, whatever. Level bills are half of what you are charging. Kube sokuthiwa but low ulama views angcono kula wakho. And because of that now, people are now doing anything for big accounts. Like anything, we are getting ama-adverts amabi. Amabi sibili.
Yes.
Ukudla uyazuma ukuthi i-advert le isibili ebhadalelweyo. But uma thenga i-advert uhappy because iku-platform ele million views. And akasakhangela ukuthi million views leya la. Ngabantu abakwanisa yini ukubuya sibili ukuzothenga.
Uyazi ukuthi kufana lani? Kufana lokuthengisa. Let me use ama-local accounts. You're a castle. And you use Young
Youngsters.
You use Young Steezy to advertise a castle. You are a castle. You use those comedian Ulang and Demandi to advertise a castle. Do those people have followers who buy cars?
No, not yet. Not yet.
You get it? You are selling headphones, cheap gadgets like Ndori shop.
Yeah.
You can use young steez.
Yeah.
You can use lang and demand because ama audiences abo. It's those people who can afford, who are interested and can afford those things, those particular things. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But you find which companies, I don't know which companies, but culture professional marketers who surprisingly can't think about that, who can't look into that.
No, but culture marketers who have grown up with Takla era and they have certificates, but they don't know exactly what and how to advertise. Because mina lam karez sengakipi ingwanda mvuke vele kusaza vele ile 4.8 billion.
Let me give you something. I would use Thomba lo wa nominate nguMadlela kuma PAs.
Umahlalela.
I would use Mahlalela to advertise Gain supermarket.
Yeah, true. I
will definitely not use him to advertise Truworths.
Yeah, which is true though.
Uyanthola kahle. Because ngiyabe ngikhangele the audience. Ukuthi audience le uyabona? Something like that.
Yeah.
Kingdom Blue or Doves bangamsebenzisa uMahlalela. Uyabo? But corporate 24. Do get uyangizwa ukuthi uthi nyanga?
Yeah.
But you find ukuthi ama companies they don't look into that.
Yeah.
Yabo? And then wona ama content creators lawo ale issue yokuthi uyathi ufaka i-content enjengaka Queen Nadia. You would expect corporate 24 to use you. They have a reputation to maintain.
Yeah, true.
They're a reputable company. They can't be using ama-nudes akho wena lama-nudes akho to advertise their brand.
Yeah, so mele mepuzame laba bathengisa.
Baklini labana abantu. Uyabona labana bamemnyango lezi speaker labana. Yibo bangakusebenzisa laba. Abamemnyango memeza ukuthi sithengise izigqoko. Yibo ama-shop lana angamemeziyo. Asoze akusebenzisa.
All right, quick one. Nihlangane le information elikhileyo. Apparently, allegedly.
Yeah.
This wife was cheating in Harare. Ubesebenza in a reputable company. So bebesithi maybe bangaqeda ukupheka amapizza abo lapha lo mfana sebenza la sebe siyabonana sibe kholisa. So ubegcina ama pictures akhe enqunu lama video ujaha ukhanya nguye record nxa sebedlala lapha. So ubegcina efonini yakhe umfazi lo. So bathi bona abanikazi bendaba indoda yasithatha ifoni yasibona izinto lezi yabifaka ku status isebenzisa ifoni yomfazi yafaka yaqeda yacithi ifoni yalala. umfazi uthe evuke ekuseni ube ngaphansi kaNadia Mbijana ngokutrenda yena yikuthi ukuthi okwakha kula mali phakathi aso account yakhe but la kwampa very Nadia Watsa.
There was a story lesson. I know this is sounding off, but the funny thing, it always says trender one side of the country. But anyway, story for another day. Got the one side.
The
wife was very, very, very disrespectful. You are being unfaithful to your husband.
But no, asithi wena
ugcinela ukuthi nxa usunesizungu
ubukele be wena
kumbe nxa usumkhumbula
kumnandi la kwikwando I know today as last card asithi ngumkakho sibili like husband and wife. Would you record your bedroom activities?
No.
Why
would I record it? There is no need. I can have flashbacks. I have a good memory.
Because honestly, maybe I'm too behind. I still don't understand the concept of recording. I don't understand why we record those activities because asithi writer somntu egangeni. I would understand notes. I would. Ukuthi bansendele lami ngasenda. To a certain extent I would understand that, but well, I'm not a fan of that. But I don't understand why you would like literally record activity leya record sibili.
Kwenzela nxa senilezi
ukwanze futhi ukuyibukela ukholise.
Ubaba usenhlezi lo baba lo wakhayo obhowayo.
Then nxa usubukela ukholisa.
Ubaba obhowayo.
So uyabukholisa nxa uzibuke yimi lo umfana lo nguye lo.
Uyakazi uthi nani? Imizi eminingi lapha igcinwe ngama side gigs ana lawa. Endlini kebe kungasala lutho. So kuqanda nje sokubetha umoya endlini.
Anyali but ukurecorda madoda. Hayi ukurecorda hayi.
But the husband was cruel. How could you uthatha ifoni yami? Uvula iWhatsApp yami. Ufake ustatus sami. Uyicishe ulala.
If you have kept this in your phone and it means you love it, and because you love it, we want everyone to see what you love and love it too.
Uyakwazi uthini indaba ezihloko ade ngiyikhuluma yena le ukuthi mina usungipostile. My mom, my mother-in-law, my father-in-law are going to see that status. My sisters and brothers-in-law are going to see that status. My workmates, my churchmates. Guys.
But when you are recording on your phone, I'm not against the activity. I'm not against them doing what they did because that's none of my business. I'm still too young to judge that activity. But I'm saying when you are recording,
it was for my eyes.
The level of disrespect is too much.
Very disrespectful. Very disrespectful.
It's too much. So, I'm not that person who would bash women like ushadaya. But I think lo uToluswazi olingana lesenzo sakhe. This was so fair.
Guys, this was so unfair.
This was so fair. Because ama pictures lawana ukuthi awabonanga. Like izinto wena mhlawumbe yabo ungazenzi kunkosikazi wakho.
Pornographic material.
Aziyala uthi ufuna ngenzani wena sawanti. Queen konkoso ngenza khona. Yikho ngubona ngalo kwenza ngalo
with the things that are currently happening, I'm actually so happy ukuthi I'm on sabbatical social media because it's just a lot to consume. It's just a lot. Angwazi ukuthi ingqondo zethu these days and we absorb a lot of things. Too much and I think it's to a certain extent I think it's very harmful.
Yeah, true.
Because last week there was what? Today, Queen Nadia. Next week, who?
You don't know what's coming tomorrow.
You know?
And someone, I'm very sure someone is motivated now. khangela ama-views kaNadia, wakhangela imali, so wakhangela ama-views akho lesilisiwo le-54, wakhangela imali, so wathi,
Yeah.
I'm coming for you, Nadia.
Yeah.
Coming. 2-3 months or less time, we'll be talking about someone here on this platform.
Yes.
Which and the pandemic, like the issue of drugs. Drugs never just push. Kwaqalisa sibili usezwa kuthiwa kulama drugs lapha umfalo kulama drugs. Karesi lamming injuries athoti vengi ngama drugs.
But then also, I think as content creators that are actually inspired by Queen Nadia, I think before you take a step like that, you also have to think about who is going to be affected about your career.
Yeah.
Ngoba you don't live in an island. For instance, look at Nadia's mother. We are Kalu Mama Nadia. People are sending her WhatsApp videos, whether it's relatives, whoever. People about social circle are sending her WhatsApp messages all the time. And some are even visiting her. So sometimes I think it's important to, when you are choosing Indolean, I know I'm always saying people should be a bit selfish. But on this one, I'm saying also think about who is going to be affected or who is being affected by your career.
Yeah.
Because umama lo usethwele nzima. Thwele nzima mama lo. Umama uyayihlule ukuya church just because of what you're doing online. But also as kids, because I think Queen Nadia, nxa ukhangele, judging from her looks, she looks like she's a very young lady. And maybe uzaba njengozodwa wabantu ukuthi it won't haunt her phambili. But for you are not going to be Queen Nadia. If I'm talking to the person who's thinking about
aspiring
doing that. So it might work for her, but it might be bad for you.
Yeah. Lami futhi mina I think in the message, and the message yami ithi gents alidingani kanti uMasalu nxa libone mina ngona livubula uMasalu kanti why lingamfoneli mina or linisendela ama message, why lingathethisi mina, because ngendlela okuchasiswe ngayo ukuthi abantu bahamba ngayo kuMasalwana, they're not going there to build. Bayahleka like akhela umntana yo wazwasiyangisa bayithi njenge village yo uyambona uNadia ubelalela yo abaye bafuna izikhundla echeche ukuthi waye ngumamdikoni mama lo karese bezamkhipha mina ngumamdikoni just lengahlangana lami ninokhile estradeni dilani lami ayikho selifonela uMasalu seliqasa umnika istress ngama flops man lesibulalela abazali they try their best bona bebefuna ukukhipha igundwana bari nangu zokuphuma uxama yekelana kunguxama ukugcwala indawo yonke kwenze konke ukwenza konke udluphela umama mina, because people love that. Even ekasi sibili and umuntu ukhangele umntaka naSandra, uSandra iheje busuka akamkhuzi akammemezi akathola ukuthi Sandra ukuthi kuphela kuyangekeni uSandra ekuseni ubone sebethutshe mama sebengu6 abezibuthi naSandra sure wazwayangisa umntwana
I have something to say. Babe busy ngoSandra abakhuzani thina esihlala emalokishini alama dusty road imgwaqo isisiba yizifula ngenxa yabo mama bavuka ngo6 bethangela emgwaqweni.
Umgwaqo uthanyelwani kanti umgwaqo
bathola umuntu evuka ku6 o'clock
ethayisenta komgwaqo
thina siphuma sisiya emsebenzini siyadinga imali yenu sethandele sethangele esenta yomgwaqo izulu kade isizulu linile ukhangela ukuthi amanzi ageleza njani kuma dust road so aseyenza
anti so ngama grid so because of
and uyabubona indlela egeleza ukuthi la kuyaphuma isifula la babe busy bakhompyutha uthangele ethareni bra competition ukuthi ngime ngithangela kakhulu
umgwaqo
celani bo mama liyeke into yini nale
babukele sisikhamba thina sibuya bona abanuthu siyakuthwa la asabusebukela nje.
You know what guys, isikhathi sesihambile and this is the end of our program Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events for all your events planning and management. Guys, if you need photography, Valentine is coming, photo shoots guys. I'm a photo shoot guys. Get in touch with Deb3 Events using the contacts on your screens to get quality matandana pictures. Quality. And also, please do come at Royal Shine Car Wash by 4th Street between Connaught and Masocha Avenue for your car washing and cleaning, thorough cleaning. You can get in touch with Royal Shine Car Wash. Ikona Facebook, ikona Google. You can also check it out. And also, please do get ama copies esindebele, ingwalo zasindebele ezilotshwe by yours truly, Nontutuzo Ncube. Umhlaba ungihlanekele, buchitheka bugayiwe. Isihlalo sikababa at $10 each. Guys, sesivalelisa. Kulama shows.
Besides ngikhulume ngayo last week, we've got the roast, 2 ama roast. Interesting, we've got Bulawayo is full of comedy. So we've got the roast of Kaya approaching, ama ticket sales aphumile, $10 ordinary, $20 single VIP, then $400 VIP lounge, $600 VVIP lounge. So nxa lifuna ushaya ama squad goals fuma bebanengi lifike lithi veve ice ama tickets aphumile, ama tickets are available kodwa malutshwana. The roast of David Coulthard, umeya wethu obukekayo ikhona. Then there's a show Thwambani Aquila. Yo, how did I forget? Yes, I think it's Aquila, Bulawayo Theatre on the 28th of February. Yes, Bulawayo Theatre, 28th February. Ngingabe ngikhwehle ama details wonke, but I'm sure it's $2 ngoba kuthiwa i-Divas Night. Thina sabe sikhona mepenxe ungathayisana lo Nadia. Good Divas Night. You never know. You never know what happens with my Divas Night. So Divas Night, Bulawayo Theatre, Aquila uthi mana ngenthathi career yami ngifake ebantwini. Asiqaseni nge$2 sizase siya phambili nxa senithola ama reviews from the public. Let's support us amene sekugcwalisa Bulawayo Theatre mhla ka-28. Sibona ukuthi ama divas ethu ayenza njani. Kube kulo Chichi, I saw Chichi will be there also, Chichi the poet. So it's really going to be interesting. Mina lami itiketi nzalithenga phambi kwakusasa sengiholile kade ezikuyilahla barazi salungisa. Right, so nxa ufuna i-t-shirt ebhalwe Hey King kumbe His Queen, yeah, nxa uyifuna i-t-shirt enjalo, so okuhle designs, t-shirt printing, even ikepesi soyibhalwe one and only. Kumbe uyawubo iskipa leza ukuthi kulenye ihathi nganga ehalf lenye nganga nxa lihamba so amahathi agcine mina I am a love bird. So whatever that you need this Valentine, we've got everything covered for you. Mina lono sesifucha phansi novalelisa abantu.
Bye.
Yeah, thina salibona singalikhangela.
Ozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Yabe sekudwini